Hello everyone, this is Diksha and I am here to tell you about my major project which was prepared by me and my team under the guidance of our faculties. So the topic is social media analysis using AIML which is based on Sage Group data. Basically in this project we have to analyze the growth, effectiveness, trending topic and user behavior across the different platform. Okay, so let's begin with the raw data. The raw data consists of some columns like post ID, platform, date, time, etc. This is a CSV file that we have to import in VS Code. Now, when we have CSV file, we import some necessary libraries like Panda, NumPy, Matplotlib, Seaborn, and then import the CSV file in this like social media sage.csv. After that, we have to pre-process the data and clean it. Here, here we check whether there is a null value or not. We had already cleaned, so we have no null value for this data. Then fill all the blanks with no tag and after that recheck it. After the cleaning data, I did sentiment distribution to show the impact of data of Sage Group. Then platform distribution to check whether the Sage Group data is distributed the most. So we can see it is distributed on LinkedIn up to 30%. Same as we see number of posts as per the platform. Then we see engagement analysis for comments based on positive, negative, and neutral. The most important correlation heat map. It shows the relationship between the different column in the data. We use box plot for like distribution and the circle or the dot you can see above the positive and neutral box, it indicates the outliers. Then we compare likes and comments per platform with the help of bar chart. At this stage, we had complete our EDA process. After, after this, I used two of ML models. The first is regression model for like prediction. For like prediction, and the second one is classification model for sentiment prediction. The sentiment prediction. By this we got our confusion matrix which show the future prediction for effectiveness of marketing of Sage. All right, after all this we have our new CSV file which we name as final social data with prediction. We where uh, where the result is sentiment and the impression were there. Now we have to import this CSV file in Power BI and our dashboard look like this. Yeah. In this, we see the daily updation of the audience engagement based on the topics. You can see it, the change in data according to the topic. Same we can do for the impression and date also. So this is all about my major project. Thank you.